Aku punya mainan kayak gini. Ada 4 mainan. Pertama itu adalah sapi, lalu dinosaurus. Pertama itu ini, lalu sapi, lalu dinosaurus, lalu kucing. Ternyata ada 4 karakter. Sekarang giliran ini emangnya keren lah, tapi bisa dibuka. Dibuka kayak ini. Oke, aku mau buka ya. Tunggu ya, mau dibuka sebentar sekali. Aku dapat ini. Yang ini ya maksud aku dapatkan. Ternyata aku dapat ini. Dia rupanya. Ini rupanya. Ternyata sama ya. Mama, ini dia. Kita dapat kelinci. Ternyata kita dapat yang. Oh iya, ini sih keren. Tapi ini apa tuh? Ini sih keren. Nih beda. Ini beda.
Sebelah
Ini ternyata sekali. Tapi aku nggak tahu di mana bahannya. I get this. Aku dapat ini ternyata. Targetnya ini ya.
Who's that name?
Lucky Emma.
Lucky Emma?
This is the lucky one. This is so beautiful. Okay, nothing.
There's no more?
Okay, there's no more. There's no more.
So you got 5.
Okay. Oh.
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
There are 6.
So who's that one? One by one?
Just like that.
You don't know?
Yes, I forget.
You forget? Who's the next?
So smooth, Mama. Mama. This is so smooth.
There's no more.
There's no more. Right? Look. Here. Also. I got this. This is the target. The third one. Look at this. Okay. Look at this. Okay. Then the target is oh. This is a dinosaur. I like this. This is the dinosaur.
It's not. And Are you done?
Yes, there's no name.
There's no name.
So I need to say the name. This is what color? This is a car.
Take a card.
Yes, this is a car. And this is
Are you done?
Barbie.
Are you done to video that?
Okay, already done. Now I want to draw.
You're already done?
Yes, already done.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Matikan.